That's weird. That's the second time today that I got disconnected. Except for the thing is, I don't think my internet dropped. It's really weird. Is it a bank holiday or something? Not, I don't think so. Yo, Turtle, market makers go to my internet. Yeah, it's weird, because I didn't, my internet didn't go down. It's very weird. Do I think we're gonna push up again? That's what I'm hoping for, yeah. Yeah, why is everything on, like, my YouTube is just glitching? What's going on? Call me Slayer, what's up, bro? Wait, you're my Twitch mod? What? Bro, what's your name from like 10 years ago? That's crazy. Change some software settings? Maybe. I made it to where I have like a higher bit rate for higher quality. But I didn't like I streamed for a week with those settings with no issues. Today for some reason it disconnected me twice. It's weird. How are we still 2 hours from power hour? I know, the time's flying so slow. Time's crawling. Oh, okay, I remember you, bro. I'm not gonna say your name on the stream, but what's up, man? That's crazy. Yeah, I don't know if you remember me, my name was Subpar back then. Played CS and other stuff. But welcome back, bro. Yeah, Bob, I just disabled the advertisements. Yesterday, price moved so fast. Today's PA is horrible. Yeah, I guess so. I kind of expect something like this to happen after a really big push-up, so I don't know. You remember the whole time? Nice. The rare CS streams and so on. Yeah, well, welcome back, bro. I was in the military for like 8.5 years. I think I streamed a little bit while I was in the military. It's good to see you, brother. What do I think? Go up or down? I'm thinking up. I'm sitting long. I'm looking for a continuation to the upside. Chopin, thank you. Hope you're doing well as well. Yeah, we got that morning move up, down and up, yeah. Do I know Pasha Biceps? Not personally. I do know of him, though, yeah.
Iran and Oman foreign ministers discuss conditions to resume talks in a call.
What's my rationale behind the long bias? Well, let's see if we can explain it on the hourly time frame. Oh, this is cool. Oh, I like this indicator. It shows all the volumes. Okay, sick. That's really sick, actually. Okay, here's the rationale. So really big volume in these 2 days, up at the like 600 level. So we popped into this 500-ish level pre-market. So it's like it's a perfect spot to reject and everything. Right? But it seems like today will probably close green. And there's this area up here that probably sellers would want to re-enter. It's like right around that 29,600 level. I mean, also I guess the overnight high as well, potentially. But after seeing the massive amount of volume that came in here, this is like very bullish right here, this move. We can see that a lot of volume came in here as well on this bottom. So if we can see here, all this volume. So after this big push up, basically all I'm thinking is I want to get into longs and I want to hold through for continuation of the move. Because of all the volume that came in here and here, my assumption is that these buyers defend this position and possibly try to push higher. Like maybe to the overnight high, maybe even higher. And right now we're kind of stuck in here. You can see volume slowly building. My assumption would be this is accumulation before the next push. Like, I could be dead wrong. So we'll see if it actually happens. Hey, what's up, J-Rod? PA status, TPTs, long on Johnson. The Apexes are alive and well. We got over 2K drawdown on them. Massive sell contracts coming in, layer 3 data. 15-minute chart, ES and NQ diverging. Weak. Okay. Yeah, like my thought basically on this long is that as long as it stays above VWAP, I'm staying long. What's the buffer on a 150k TPT account? I believe it is 4.5k. Yeah, J-Rod. Yesterday I took a really stupid trade. So you don't have to do 9k in profit again? No, you don't. But you should. Get yourself a nice 4k payout. Probably buy some TPT 50%. And yes, 3 days is 3 trading days. Yeah, the sale's ending on Monday. So I picked up 5 more TPT 50K accounts. But yeah, if the stream goes down again, I'll just cut it off for the day and try to figure out what issues we're having, because this is the third one we've gone online with. Horrible position, top of range. Okay. And I think I want to add right here. Right at VWAP. It's pretty high volume. Yeah, Bob, I'm not cutting the trade. I'm thinking I want to add on to it here on this pullback. Actually, you can choose not to add, what's the average accounts needed to pass an eval? For me, it's like, counting bad trading and good trading, I'd probably take like 3 to pass over the past year. Slayer, appreciate you, brother. Take care. Have a great weekend, man. Thanks for checking in. Fortune favors the bold. What's your analysis? I never win money with you. I mean, I already said a bit ago. I want to be long as we stay above VWAP, because this move here, right here, was mega bullish. So I'm looking for continuation of the move. This was like an accumulation over here, so this was bullish after we pushed and broke. So now we're getting a retracement of this move. If we get some Fibonacci on this, can get an idea maybe. So we're at the 61.8 right now on the retracement. Maybe we get to the 50, I don't know. I'm going to try to add here on the VWAP. Ads, Pasha? Oh, I thought I disabled them. Would suck. Oh, my bad. They re-enabled somehow. Okay, turn them off. Pretty good pass rate. How many days on average? Probably like 5 on average. You know you shouldn't rush it, but you keep trying to pass your evals in 2 days. Maybe that's why. I mean, as long as you're okay with knowing that if you're sizing up, you know, enough to where you obviously could lose an account in 1 day, and you're okay with that, like, I don't see any issues with trying to pass an account in 2 days or however many days. I've done that many times too. But it really just all comes down to, does the day actually have really good price action, you know? Because if the day has really good price action, those are the days it's like very easy to pass, even in 1 day trading, like Apex, for example. Have I seen the next gen stuff with the 5 free resets? No, I have not. I try not to mess around with prop firms that are too good to be true, because realistically it probably is. Welcome back, Aaliyah. Sorry the stream went down. Yeah, for those of y'all that didn't hear me say it, if the stream goes down again, I'll just cut the stream for the day, because I got disconnected twice. I don't know why. Wait for a good PA, then take a huge size trade. I mean, the right answer, honestly, whether you're trading funded or evals, is to wait for good price action to trade. That's like realistically the right answer. Like, trading bad price action is not very wise either way. I know I do it all the time, but like realistically, it's not something you should do. But whatever, you know. You do what you gotta do. Micron has a bit more downside before balance. Interesting movement. Okay.
Canadian minister in charge of US trade ties leaves talks with US Trade Representative Greer and says he will return shortly.
Yeah, semis, I guess, are kind of primed for a breakout. Has the fitness movement passed, Pasha? No, definitely not. Definitely not. Andrew, you do see 450 possibly max point per fibs. Be careful to either to enter long above 375. Okay. Haven't been on lately, but haven't seen me banging out reps. Yeah. But yeah, it's definitely not over, J-Rod. Oil's up. Yeah, oil made a bit of a push, didn't it? Continuing the bullish trend on oil. Okay, some large sell orders on the ES. See if NASDAQ sweeps that low. Alright, take care, J-Rod. Leo will be back in a couple hours. This is our trade. I did not trade gold, but I saw it was really nice price action to the upside. Are we in for one more pullback? The ES is like at the VWAP right now. See if we could get an upward squeeze here soon. I'll be right back. You have a squeeze level on NQ at 29,480. Okay. Will we actually get this fill here? I really want to add 2 more contracts. Might not be able to get filled at 369. VWAP balancing on ES. No volume, no squeeze, boring hours. Yeah. Low volume should favor the bulls, right? I think, yeah. With the market structure that we've created, I think so, yeah. I think it's higher chance of being bullish than bearish. Is this a breakout? See, the ES didn't sweep the higher low yet. Maybe it does it before it runs. NASDAQ just much stronger right now. Tech ratio is slowly grinding up. I'm adding. I'm just gonna add. I think it looks pretty good. Took like 40 points on that ad. Trader with Rick, going along here as well. Okay, good luck. That's pretty much a VWAP test on the ES. It's bouncing. See if we can get momentum to the upside. NASDAQ just held very well compared to the ES. So the NASDAQ looks like a lot better. I'm pretty sure semiconductors have broken out already. Yeah, semis broke out a while ago. That's why it was holding so well. So if other stuff starts bouncing, we're running. That's a big if, though. Yeah, because Apple's bearish right now. Nvidia has started to run. It's a pretty mixed bag. AMD's breaking out. Micron could be in a range. Hasn't confirmed a breakout there. Whale pulled back and bounced hard. Well, we're in the trade. We'll see if it works out. Could be a multiple hour hold. Got 10 minutes till this hourly closes. On the hourly time frame, pretty neutral. Pretty neutral, but possibly bullish because we bounced hard above previous day's low. This 1 hour order block rejected. And just a matter of time that we'll find out. Until we find out. Been long for a while at 390 entry, right, trader? Okay, good luck, bro. So sideways, yeah. It's been consolidating for about an hour.
According to State TV, Iran and Iraq signed comprehensive security pact. What was the news? Iran and Iraq sign a comprehensive security pact. Shorted some Russell at 20.8. Okay. Might actually be a good short on the Russell, possibly, yeah. Nice.
I had a bad trade on Marvel this morning. They're back to break even. This kind of seems like it might want to possibly go to like 29,350 maybe. Maybe 360s. Okay, the ES swept the low. Tap to view up again. Andrew, the issue here is they're walking down the semis. Are you sure, Andrew? Are you sure they're walking down semis? Semis actually have rallied over the past 30 minutes, like a strong rally. That's why the NASDAQ's holding so well. That there's like a handful of tech that's downtrending right now, but semis rallied. So the scary thing is if the other stuff continues to trend down and semis go for a retracement of the rally, the NASDAQ drops here. That's the scary thing about holding longs here. Semis are at a point where they've been trading in a range and they're at the top of the range right now. So it's either going to break out here on semis or continue down, which makes the NASDAQ probably go into the 300s, like low 300s, easily. Mags and IGV dragging down, yeah. Oh, he's saying on a higher time frame, not intraday. Yeah, on a higher time frame, yeah. I think the market will grind down and open Monday with gap down, make a bottom, hit new all-time highs. That's super specific. Maybe. Would be bullish for midterm this scenario. Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, next week might be crazy. Bitcoin's been on a tear, yeah. Okay, 1 minute till we have the new hourly. New hourly candle coming in soon. And then we'll have 1 hour till power hour. The longer it stays here, like, the less confident I'm getting. It's kind of attempted to break out already multiple times. There's now like a pretty good amount of volume here of sellers that have been defending. The more this keeps grinding down, the less I like this long. Because at a certain point, the longs give up and this thing drops and starts sweeping levels. So this long's getting a little sketchy. The ES is like right at VWAP right now. It's starting to tap below. I don't know if it gets momentum to the downside. There, tap below. It's on the 200 EMA on the 5-minute on the ES. There's another sweep of lows. NASDAQ didn't sweep with it. Still holding pretty well. There are buyers right there. When do the buyers step up and just squeeze this to the upside? Or will they do that? Like, the lower this thing goes, the lower the volume becomes. It's interesting. Then it's like pretty high volume when it's up in the 400s. Sellers kind of distributing up there. ES is holding the NQ back. Yeah, a little bit. If the ES was sideways, the NASDAQ would be slowly trending up right now. Volume increasing again. It's pretty high volume on that 1-minute candle. Same with here. Same with here. So buyers are stepping in at the 370s, 380s. Little battle between the 380s, 370s, and the 400s. Who's gonna win? I'm on the bull side on this one. Okay. Break 410 now. Or else it's just continuing the sideways action. Nice volume on that candle again. On the push up. 1 minute left on this candle. If this candle closes above like 415, then it's super strong. That sellers recommitting at the 400s every time. Would I define today as bad price action after lunch? Yeah, 100%. Not much volume to bring it right back down. Little sketchy. Those are large sell orders on the NASDAQ. Time and time again. Just barely sweat that low. And buyers step in. You being short from a previous day high is actually not that bad with this price action. Yeah. Yeah, isn't it nice holding like a huge swing trade? Especially when it's going in your direction. Turtle Sun Type A take tight wins and don't trade. Trendy movement. Stop TPing too soon and go for runners, pretty much. Yeah, turtle. That'll probably be the that'd probably be the right call. Please watch the language in this chat, Solius. Some more large cells on the ES. And this is sketchy. Like if this fails to break out, guys, like this will go to low of day and like break lows and continue the downtrend. If this doesn't break out like soon. Like it will go down very hard. Like I'm even tempted to cut this on the next push up. And then like if it breaks out, I can re-enter. And if it breaks down, I can short. Maybe 250, but you don't see it dropping like crazy. I mean, 250 is over a 100-point drop, so to me that's pretty crazy. TJ, I'm long from 411. Large sell orders on the NASDAQ now. Rejected the 21 EMA. Starting to get pretty sketchy. Because yeah, once downside momentum starts, it's gonna get pretty nasty for the longs. Honestly, I'm just gonna hold long. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. So I see the kind of pattern. So if it pops up here, I'll exit, and then if it breaks out, I'll re-enter. Just such a weird spot, you know? Very weird spot. It's quite the retracement. Like, I really want to hold long, but on the higher time frames, like, it doesn't look good on the higher time frames. Especially with the ES. With the ES, it looks very ugly. Like, I needed this continuation to happen, like, fast. After this being here for so long, what looks to be distribution happening, like, the downside potential is scary. You don't see 450? Yeah, maybe not. Okay, there's VWAP testing on the NASDAQ. Let's see how this volume looks on this push. So volume's not going to be super crazy. So I'm exiting. $21 EMA trying to reject. At least get above it. It didn't reject before. New 5-minute candle too. Volume's not that good. Okay, large buy orders on the NQ. It's a rejection again. Oh, semis actually kind of look like they might be breaking out. Made a higher low. It's approaching the a previous high. If it breaks, it's running. Interesting. Very interesting. Here's the point where I can cut or hold. Do I cut or do I hold? With all those pieces of information. Is it higher chance of breakout or higher chance of going down? Hold to 650. Okay, here, re-entry up here. Didn't take my chance. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's such a hard decision, guys. Such a hard decision. Would have been the right one as of right now. Add 15 contracts to dollar cost average. That's actually crazy. The unfortunate thing is the momentum to the downside is starting to increase. Like, we're not getting RSI divergence right now. It's increasing momentum.
Moody's ratings affirms Microsoft's AAA rating with the outlook stable. Missed by one tick.
Order filled.
Large sell orders again. Starting to break the wedge. Momentum to downside might increase right now.
WTI crude October futures settle $87.06 a barrel, up 23 cents or 0.26%. NYMEX diesel September
Okay.
futures settle at around $4.49
This thing's breaking the
a
wedge,
gallon.
guys.
NYMEX gasoline September futures settle at around $3.34 a gallon, and NYMEX natural gas September
It's the
futures
wedge
settle
breaking.
at around $2.77.
Might get some downside momentum right now. Candle close below 360 is a breakdown signal. 70% chance of at least 40 points downside. Looking like a beginning of a potential waterfall here. If this closes below 360, I think I'm gonna add on. "45 seconds. "20 seconds. "10. Okay,
Order filled.
heading on. Good luck. So this is 70% chance of at least 40 points. View at pretest. This would be a pretty nasty fake out if longs step in and break it to the upside. But this got to the point where I think it's about to waterfall. Momentum's starting to increase to the downside and everything. There are a bunch of longs that, like if we break here, these longs are all trapped. That'd be big downside momentum. There are buyers in here that might defend this area though. Oh yeah, semis started curling over too. Failed the breakout, curling over in a range. Yeah. A couple of things that were downtrending could be possibly going for a retracement, so that could be like a little bounce potential. But semis are curling over now. So if they continue down, we're gonna get downside momentum. Oil's still pulling back. $23 minutes till power hour. Our watches. Have a good weekend, brother. Tim, add 20 contracts. Nah, bro. Nvidia has decent downside. Yeah. Yeah, a lot of the semis are curling down right now, curling over. Just a matter of time till semis lose the 21 EMA here on the 5-minute. Let's add it right now. If semis continue to actually continue up and break out, then yeah, this is gonna go long, but Had a pretty nasty rejection and currently sitting at 5-minute moving averages. Oh, 1 minute higher low. That looks different. That definitely looks different. That was a 21 EMA bounce on semis. Yes, retest view up. Oil giving some tailwind to longs. Yeah, oil pulling back a bit. Either way, I'm in a positive EV trade right now. Semis are still holding. ES is getting buyers. Yeah, ES is like the only thing sketching me out right now. Strong bounce on ES there. Microsoft's pushing.
Apple cuts jobs in Siri and Vision Pro 3D video and gaming teams. So Apple's Siri and Vision Pro job cuts to affect over 200 people.
You might FOMO into long. If this, I mean, if this doesn't get continuation soon, I guess longs are possible. But I'm gonna only go long if it actually like breaks out. Because it's attempted to so many times. Semis actually started, showing weakness. Semis are pulling back. NASDAQ's pushing. I don't know why. What is pushing the NASDAQ right now? Semis are curling over. Microsoft's pumping. Meta's pumping. I guess the Amazon's pumping. I guess the Mag 7s are now starting to make a little pump. Semis are curling over now. Yeah, they like semis and the mags are not moving together right now. That's why our price action is so gross.
65%.
That's why price action is like so stuck. Semis and the Mag 7 are moving against each other. Look at trade ideas, okay. Okay, I see a chart squeeze up into close. Yeah, dude, I don't understand anything happening on those charts. It's just a bunch of random charts. Okay, there's another attempted push. Is it gonna break out now after a fake out to the downside? Semi's pumped. A little bit of a bounce there. Oh man. Is the mixed squeezer incoming? Is there actually a mixed squeezer coming? Oh man, I actually got scared out of my long, dude. I think we're actually gonna make squeeze.
Order filled.
Good luck, bro. There's a little bit of a fakeroo, I guess. See if it gets continuation. I hope it's not a fake down, fake up. Because semis are continuing their upside now. And the mags are starting to push. The S&P's broken out of the 21 EMA with volume. Man, I actually got scared out of my short. My technical stop was down here. I actually got scared out of it. I lost quite a bit of points on that. No continuation? Okay.
US stocks extend gains, Dow Jones up 1%.
Okay, 5 minutes till power hour. Okay, so close above 405 or 410 will be mega bullish. Yeah, it's got liquidity below, so it might turn into a trap. Yeah. That is 100% possible. Yeah, we're not getting the momentum that we'd want up here. Like, I thought it would already be, like, much more momentum being up here. Back up here, I guess. Right now, I guess I gotta put my stop at that candle low. Because if it goes, it goes. If it gets back down here, it's, like, sketchy. It's like, if you're going, you gotta go here after this pullback. Just too nasty of price action if it comes back down and sweeps this low. Need to see the momentum here. Two minutes to the new hourly. If we can get a candle close. Like I said, above like 405, 410. I think we're going to be really happy. That'd be a pretty bullish close on the hourly candle. Hopefully 400 doesn't have any sellers. It looks like it's the point of control. I think that's how this indicator is working. Pasha, good here. We'll see. Gizmo's saying it's a trap, maybe. Okay, 30 seconds till the new hourly. If this 5-minute candle closes above 405, 410, like, it's going to be very good. Will it do it in 20 seconds? Okay, that was the hourly close. I mean, it closed above 400. It's not as good as we want, but like this next 5-minute candle close, if it closes above 405, 410, that's good. You think we should take off here and go higher? Let's see. I want to see some of these levels get swept. Like this one just swept. That's our first level. Like we do not want to reject right after sweeping that. We need to keep this momentum. Like the ES already made like a really nice push. We need to continue. And I'm talking like no pullbacks, no anything. Like just squeeze straight through. We need to get some distance here. Okay, there's the next level that swept. That's good. We don't want to see hard rejection off the sweep. Need the candle to close above 410. That was a really good fake out to the downside, man. That was a really good fake out. It got me, man. It got me. Why do I get got so often, huh? My oh my. Like, it actually got me so good. It got you this thing, right? Yeah. Like whenever I was building this long, I was like, okay, I want my stop at 331. If we stay above VWAP and 331, I'm happy. Once we broke VWAP, I'm like, oh, but wait. Momentum. Like, I was looking at RSI, momentum was increasing, everything. We closed below VWAP, and I'm like, oh, man, like, well, I don't really want to lose another 20, 30 points. I guess I might as well just go. And then, like, I got a signal for a short, too. So that sucks. Clean bull flag? It's not very clean when you combine it with the ES, brother. It's not very clean. Not very clean at all, especially because momentum started to increase to the downside. Like you got volume increasing to the downside and momentum. Like it was actually not great looking. Okay, I do not like that rejection. Come on. 2 minutes till this candle closes. This candle close needs to be like above 410. Increased volume there. Sellers coming back in. Hold, buyers, hold. Like, I'm going for the McPumper here. I'm not trying to take just like 20, 30 points. I'm going for the McPumper. So if this comes down, stops me out, you know, whatever. That rejection, I don't want to see rejection that early. Semi swept the high and rejecting again. Mags are still pumping. Apple's still bearish. Yeah. Pretty big volume on that rejection. It'll take a miracle. Like, the thing I'm worried about is that this stays sideways into power hour and just starts rejecting the 400s and finding support at like 380 or 360 or something. Like, that's what I'm worried about. Like, I don't really want to trade that price action. Oh, that was the 305 short? Oh, wait, right now is the 305 short. Oh, no. Oh, no. I mean, are we trailing too close? We'll do that. 13 points. $13.
Order filled. Order filled.
We're going for it. We're going for it. It's scary. I'll be right back. We're live? We're alive? Give us some life on this long, though, actually. Like, no joke. Is that a lower high on the 1 minute? Is that an early sign? Mm. Big volume on the candle lower high on the 1 minute time frame. Oh no, I don't love it. It's like it could easily be a bull flag, but yo, Andy, take care, brother. Love you, bro.
That sucks, bro.
Well,
That 250K just got blown.
for you?
Yeah.
Dang.
My phone, bro, was in my pocket and Ninja Trader was open, bro. And like 15 limit orders had been getting placed all day.
No
And
way.
yeah, like every single one got stopped out. I literally just opened my phone on lunch, bro. Like down, literally I had like $400 drawdown left.
Bro, that is like so unfortunate. What the heck?
Yeah, that's like, I don't even know what to say about that.
Dude,
It's
that's
so,
actually crazy. That is very unfortunate.
at least my second payout got approved, but oh my gosh, but that's what sucks about those legacies. I mean, they're like, you can't even get them no more. You literally can't even get them. So
Yeah.
like,
I hope they bring them back, but yeah. That sucks.
I mean, it will never be as that'll ever be as cheap as the one I had. Probably, what was it, like $135 all in for that 250K with the $17 promo for the evo.
Yeah, something like that.
But yeah, I just wanted to let you know in case if your day was bad, my day was worse.
Yeah. Sorry, brother.
You good? I'm gonna go enjoy the weekend and
Order filled.
hopefully Apex pays me now that I blew the account.
Yeah. Yeah, I hope they do too. I'm like hoping for some nice price action, big moves, but realistically, it is power hour on Friday, monthly OPEX. Probably should not hope for anything really that great. Because yeah. Tuesday morning. Yeah, that sucks. That really sucks. Just stuck in the middle. Yeah, guys, the price action's dead. Nothing really gonna happen, I'm assuming. We had some really decent price action in those first couple hours. Now it's just stuck, guys. It just stuck. Consolidating. Yo, what's up, Leo? Yeah, I'm a bit red. But yeah, there's like nothing to trade right now. Price action just stuck in this volume area right here, consolidating. It did a little fake out here, increasing momentum to the downside, and then reversed.
Hey, Pasha,
What's up?
they had sent me a screenshot just now. They sent the money finally for the first payout. But since I blew the account, the second payout was approved. That won't mess anything up with that one, right?
Was it taken out of your account, the profit?
Yeah.
It was? Okay, yeah, it should be good.
Okay.
Yeah, I think once it's
Thank you.
approved and it's out of the account, it's gonna be on your way. Or on the way.
Okay.
Dude, but if you have $500 drawdown, is that what you said?
No, bro. I
Got
just
blown? Okay.
I'm at work. I was hot. I was already pissed, bro. I was like, fluff it, bro, and tried to bottom tick.
Oh,
And
gotcha.
just,
That's alright. Yeah, you should be good.
yeah. I mean, the return on investment on that account still was crazy. I mean, I pulled
Hey, 20x it.
6,000 out. So,
Oh, yeah, 50x, bro. That is not bad. You 50x'd your investment.
Yeah. I was like doing so good, dude. Like, I literally was like taking like $300 days, $400 days on that account.
Yeah.
Was on like my 22nd trading day. Like, I really wanted to try to see that max payout, but there'll be another opportunity.
Yeah. Honestly, bro, you traded it really well. And that's part of the whole prop firm game. You did better than most people. Just doing that right there. So that's pretty huge.
All right, well, I'm going to finish my last hour of work and then enjoy the weekend. You have a good weekend, Pasha.
Yeah, you too, brother.
Okay, bye.
See ya. Nine minutes till the 3:30 long. Do we actually believe it on a Friday? You're on day 3 of TPT eval, $300 away from profit target. Yes. Yeah, by the after hours close. So TPT closes your positions 5 minutes before the futures market closes. Good luck, Colleen. Little bit of divergence, tiny bit. Oh, you thought you had to pass in 3 days? No, that's just the minimum amount of days you have to trade. You have actually unlimited time. If you don't want to get resubscribed on the subscription for the eval, like you have to just do it in under 20 trading days or 30 calendar days. If you don't pass within 30 days, then you just get like the amount that you paid for the account just charged to your card. Okay, we got 5 minutes till the 3:30 long.
Order filled.
I'm gonna risk it. The Walmart chart? No, I'm not really watching Walmart. I'm not gonna look it up right now. Just without even looking at Walmart, my assumption is whatever dips come in, it's best to dollar cost average into it. Let's hope the 3:30 long works today, guys. It's tightening up right now. Potential lower high. Again, it's a wedge. Like semis look like they could squeeze. It's like gotten very tight. It could dump or it squeezes that high. On semis specifically. Three minutes till the 3:30 long. little bit of divergence between the NASDAQ and ES. Medium buy orders on ES. Got along above 417 till 460 in the last 30 minutes. Need to close over 417 on the 15-minute chart. Okay. So this needs to close above 417 then for you to go long in the next minute. All right, 40 seconds till the 330 long. All right. I'm gonna size up for it, dude. The 330 long. 20 seconds.
Order filled.
Good luck. Hopefully it's not the 330 short. 393. Nice. Good push.
Order filled.
Cool. That's the 330 long right there. Not bad.
Order
I'll take
filled.
that. Dr. Said, you're long until 620. Okay. That's quite the target, though. That's quite the target. I'm assuming you're not targeting 620 like today. Because that would be crazy. Like this looks bullish, but man, because it's Friday in OPEX, I'm like sketched out about it, you know? With this price action, I'll try to just run scalps. 15 for 15. Oh, you're targeting 620 in the next 30 minutes, bro? Are you serious? Well, dang. I mean, bro, if you know something, Like, what's your reasoning? What's your reasoning you actually think that's gonna happen? Because if you have a good reason, dude, I'll hold along with you. Could go to kill at 29, yeah. Could try to hold to the kill at 29. 467. It's what your system says? Okay. Interesting. Jetin, unless and until he received insider news from Trump. What's the kill at 29? It's just the 929 candle. It's kind of a target spot. So the previous push pretty much stagnated at the kill at 29. So we're in the 460s. 460, 470, 480. Vander Chief, how's it going? Not too bad, not too bad. Can't complain. This thing's not giving us an entry, man.
Order filled.
Okay. You'll be happy to see 520, 620 is like not today. Yeah, it's a pretty crazy push if it actually does it. Like that would be a mega squeeze, bro. If like we actually went there. I was targeting that area earlier. Like 620 was approximate target of mine. Before. But like right now, in the last 25 minutes, yeah, I don't know. I don't know about that, Chief. Appreciate you, Ken. Phasia, that poster means 29-100 Monday. You think if we get a gap, 300-point gap down? Oh, you opened a short already. In the 400s, okay. Not bad, not bad. So on this push up, you opened up a short then. Okay. Let's see how semis are doing. Oh, semis actually are pulling back and the NASDAQ's running. So we'll probably have mags pushing. Yeah, Google's pushing for the intraday high. Tesla's pushing for the intraday high. Amazon's running. Apple. Ooh, nice bounce on Apple. Meta, sideways. Nvidia, bottoming, has potential to push. Okay. Palantir's kind of pushing. AMD pulling back. Micron dumping. So the fact that semis literally just dumped and the NASDAQ still pushed is kind of crazy. The mags are holding it. Before it was semis holding it, now it's the mags holding it and even out pushing the semiconductors. And to have these going inverse of each other is kind of crazy. It's a big reason why we had very nasty price action in here. It's because the Mag 7 and the semiconductor index, they were moving against each other the whole time. So we were just like stuck. And right now the big push on the Mag 7 is actually making this push right now, even with semis downtrending. Now, if they can both push up in the same direction, you know, like we could squeeze. Most definitely, we could squeeze. Rotation is happening, yeah. I need to break that high of 415. Mm-hmm. Oil's still downtrending, which is good. I'll pull back on Tesla. If Nvidia can bounce here, it holds us up. Pull back on Apple as well. Rejection of VWAP. Yeah, Micron dumped a lot. Oh, semiconductors are going for a deep pullback. Oof. Oof, semis are dumping right now. Ooh, they're dumping. They just got some massive momentum in the last 2 minutes. G-Man, yo, yo. Semi's still dumping. Now they're bouncing a little bit. Come on, can we get a Mag 7 and semiconductor push together? Can we do that now? Can we actually do it? Because that'll be like a 50-point run. Sammy's dumping more. Now Nvidia's pushing out. Nvidia's kind of breaking out right now pretty well. So Nvidia's holding us right now. And the rest of the mags. Meta's pushing as well. Hop in, come in, max in 2 min. Just move your TP 100 points above. Are you for real? Like actually? Dude, like I want to trust you. Like honestly. Dude, you're telling me this. Like I'll do it just to do it. Time to spread the love of the squeeze. Like, I don't know. Maybe Dr. Saeed knows something's coming. I don't know, bro. MOC is 1555. No, it's 50. All right, Dr. Saeed. I'm not gonna take my profit at 30 points then, just because you're telling me. You're telling me to move my take profit at least 100 points above, so I'm gonna do it. I'll listen to you, bro. I don't know what you're sniffing out in the market right now, but I mean, I guess might as well trust somebody in the chat, right? I'm gonna have to trail my stop though. It's too early to trail it to break even right now. If we can get up to like 430, I'll trail to break even. You don't trust to move up? I don't know. Dr. Saeed is very confident in this push up. Maybe Dr. Saeed knows something. I don't know. Okay, dude, I'm going to break even. I'm scared. It does look like momentum's starting to pick up a little bit to the upside, maybe. This candle close was good, that bullish hammer. Trust futures, we're gonna moon, you think so? Okay. Dr. Saeed, I would have my partial taking over here, like, or getting to where I would be taking half off. But you told me move my take profit like 100 points above. Which I didn't even do that. How did I add color in the volume profile? Honestly, I don't know. I think I have no idea. I think it's indicators and then I searched volume profile. Because my other volume profile disappeared for some reason. I couldn't re-add it. Trust futures and you're mostly bearish and you're thinking we're going to get a squeeze? Okay. Pure PA. Okay, Dr. Saeed. We've got 3 minutes till MOC. Actually, 2 minutes and 15 seconds till MOC, dude. Oh, look at the push. Oh, something's cooking, guys. Something's cooking, and it's not chocolate chip cookies in the oven. What's going on here? Okay, I gotta make sure I trail a little bit more because I do not want to get slippage on this if it fully dumps. Okay, Doctor, say this is where I would have taken half off here. I would have taken half off right here. But you're telling me to hold for like 100 points, bro. I'm trusting you right now. You're selling at 454? Okay. That's probably a smart spot to sell. To be completely honest. Dr. Said said 100 points, bro. Like for the partial, I didn't even go 100 points up. I'm going 60. Am I trying to pass? No. Trying to see if we
1
can
minute
get some
now
big
until we
old
get the
profits.
Market on close imbalance.
Market on close. Take half off, Pasha, TJ says. Dude, Dr. Said said put my take profit 100 points up, bro. Like, I don't know why I'm trusting him, but I'm trusting him. Jeeves, go to the moon.
Ten seconds.
Market and close incoming. What's it gonna do? Oh!
Market on close imbalance. S&P 500 buy side 191 million. NASDAQ 100 sell side
Wait.
48 million. Dow 30 buy
Wait.
side 95
That
million.
almost stopped me out. Do
Mag 7 buy
not
side
stop me
62
out.
million.
What was that? What was that? Dr. Said, what's happening, brother? Why is it not going up, Dr. Said? Yo.
Order filled.
Dr. Said, you told me 100 points. I would have taken half off at 430. Now only made $100 on that long, bro. I'm re-entering, bro. Dr. Said, you told me 100 points. I'm still trusting you. But I'm only gonna risk 10 points on this. You're still sticking with longs? 9 minutes till market closes. 9 minutes. I've got 10 points of risk on this trade. Dr. Said is saying we're going like 100 points, bro. Like, this trade is completely just like me just trusting Dr. Said for no reason. Or 1 sec. Alright, we're back. Dude, did that just miss me by like a couple ticks on the stop loss? Dr. Saeed, what's happening, bro? What is happening? Huh? Wow.
Order filled.
Wow. Somehow I still have 1 micro. And it's gone. Dang, dude. Dr. Saeed. What did you do to me, man? Dr. Saeed, what'd you do to me? I thought you said we're going. Dr. Saeed. Wow. That's so sad. That's so sad. What were we expecting on Friday with OPEX? What were we expecting here, man? I don't know what we were expecting. We're going but apocalypse now? Look at that drop. Oh my golly. That is a mega dropper on the ES all the way to the view app. Oh my goodness. When I said I would take half off was the perfect short? Yeah. He was right about 100 points, just wrong direction. It was like 50 points. Now 100 points up. Yeah, I mean, realistically, I was not expecting that to happen. I should have not trusted him just taking half off. Oh, man. My, oh, my. Kevin, you called out the nuke? I had the bad vibes, man. Right before MOC hit, I had the bad vibes. But I was trusted the short squeeze of the century that has, like, almost never happened before. I was trusted it, man. Piotr along the top. Here, I'll along the top for you, bro. Let's see.
Order
Quick
filled.
scalper. Yes, making a strong push. Quick scalper so we could at least lock in the points that we lost. Trying to hope for a 100-point squeezer, man. Those semis bounced actually pretty hard. Might continue down though right now. Where's Nvidia at? Nvidia dumped massively, and it's still dumping. NASDAQ's still holding with Nvidia dumping. Oh my goodness. Everything going against everything. The mags dumped like crazy. And somehow, this thing's holding. Wowza. Everything moving against each other, and somehow stuff's happening, man. Nice. Come on. Get us the scalper. Get us the scalper. So at least make up for not taking half off. Go, 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 go. 1.5 minutes left. Oh, it's almost there. Go. It missed me. By 1 tick. 1 tick. Come on, just one more tick up. Ugh. One more tick up. On the final minute. The most volatile minute, maybe. Yes. There we go. Okay. We at least made up for the half off that I did take up here. That gave me the profits I would have had.
Google executive Salik is to join Anthropic's compute team.
Oh man, that was a clutch exit.
So that's Anthropic hiring Google chip
Oh,
veteran
man.
as it pushes into hardware.
Oh man, it's crazy. And then the straight dumper, dude. The straight dumper. Dumper to close the day. And guess where it's at? It is about to close. In 2, 1, closed. Literally in the perfect middle of the 15-minute opening range, guys. You can't make it up. You cannot make this up. Look at this for OPEX. Look at this Fibonacci retracement. Fibonacci retracement right here. Look at this. Look at that. Well, I mean, it's not exactly 50. For some reason, it's showing it's 50%. I don't know why. Oh, 15. It's 50% of the opening range. That's right. So it's right here. Bear with me here. I'm trying to make a point here. Right at the 50% mark of the Fibonacci. You see that? Like, that's something. I got something off here. There, that's correct. Trying to make a point here, so bear with me, guys. Right at the 50% retracement of the Fibonacci is where it closes. OPEX Friday, pretty much as expected. So, with that, I think it's time to do the outro for the week, for the weekend. Yeah. Terrible price action the last 4 hours, man. If you expected something better, then you are pretty new to the markets, because this is pretty typical. And even people that know that this is typical still try to trade it. You're looking at them. But, guys, it's been a pretty crazy week. I would say I enjoyed this week, guys. I enjoyed it. There were some days where it really sucked, but guess what? I enjoyed it. You know why? Because I spent it with the Trade Titans, the absolute best community on YouTube. So if you are nice and green today, if you're nice and green on the week, if you took great trades and you had great discipline all week, congratulations. You deserve a nice weekend off for resetting. Now, if you broke rules, I know some of y'all saw me breaking rules, saw me doing some stupid stuff, okay? I know you saw me doing some dumb stuff, okay? Some of y'all will call me out on it, okay? We're not doing that next week, okay? This weekend, we're resetting, and we're getting right, and we're getting back the discipline, okay? So this weekend, no charts, no looking at charts, no talking about the market. Just full reset, get some rest, recoup, recover the brain power and mental capacity to hit it hard next week. I appreciate all y'all for being with me here today and all week. And I hope you have a great weekend. And I will see you in the next New York session on Monday. God bless you guys. Have a great weekend. Till next time.